Ever wondered how to get real feedback from your Facebook audience or just want to make your posts more interactive? Facebook polls are the answer. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or just someone looking to spice up their feed, polls offer a simple, effective way to connect. Polls let you ask questions and get instant opinions. Want to know which product your followers prefer? Curious about their favorite weekend activity? Just create a poll and watch the responses roll in. It's a fun way to gather insights and get your community talking. Now you can create polls almost anywhere on Facebook, your story, groups, events, messenger chats, and even on pages. For stories, just open the Facebook app, tap to create a story, and look for the poll sticker. Type your question, add answer options, and share. In groups, click the Write Something box, select Poll, enter your question and choices, then post. Messenger and events work in a similar way. Just start a new message or event post, tap Poll, and follow the prompts. And for pages, go to your posting tools, choose Poll, and craft your question. If you ever need to edit or delete a poll, just click the three dots next to your poll post and you'll see your options. It's that flexible. Now, if you want more people to actually vote on your polls, boosting engagement is key. That's where Media Mister really shines. With Media Mister, you can get real Facebook poll votes from genuine accounts. No fake bots, no passwords needed, and a safe, easy process. It's the perfect way to make your poll stand out and get the reliable feedback you need to grow your presence. Ready to create your next poll and get the votes rolling in? Head over to MediaMister.com and see how easy it is to boost your Facebook engagement today.